to knock one of these out of alignment. Yeah, you've got to hit some serious potholes or.
Welcome to Memphis.
That's it. How you feeling, babe?
I'm feeling great. This is actually driving a heck of a lot better. I'm not wandering. Look at that, baby. No hands.
Awesome. Perfect.
And you won't be as tired when you get there. Neck and arms.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
So the steering feels.
It's dead on. So far.
Not that you should drive with one hand.
No,
but
I mean,
you feel like you can.
yeah. It's not wandering all over the road.
You're not wrestling with the wind.
I know your speed limit. I get so excited.
55.
And who is are you called our technician?
Yes.
Yeah, Tara.
This is our technician, Tara.
Y'all do this full time?
No. It's actually
And
the
we're
only second time
beginners.
we've been in it. We
Really?
picked it up in Utah, drove to Memphis. And this is the first stop that we've done. And we let it stay parked for 3 weeks because I had to work. And so I said, come on, baby, I gotta go. So I did all my research online, which is YouTube. And talking to these guys, one guy, he said, it's my third one, man. I put him in the office. I was like, okay, obviously I made a good decision.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been doing this?
A little over 2 years.
Okay.
And we will get on the interstate. I would assume trucks and stuff kind of give you a little bit of push.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh,
We'll get on the interstate, hopefully get a couple of them to blow by, let you feel the difference there, get you up to speed a little bit.
So even when I'm turning, it kind of wants to get back to center.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Look at you being bold with one hand.
She know I drive with two with this big thing, man. I mean, it's
How-
just walking all over the road.
How are your arms feeling though? Because remember you all
driving with a
tense and
finger.
everything. This, yeah, I can see the totally different. Even though you're trying to make it where I can drive, I'm not
I
there
want to
yet.
drive.